In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set due dates for Trello checklist tasks. First, open Trello and head to your board's view. From there, select your sample board so you can work from a real example. It helps to start on the board where your tasks already live, so you can see updates as you make them. Once the board is open, locate the card you want to schedule. I'll use a card called Studying Science to walk you through the process. Open the card and click the Dates option on the right side of the card. This opens Trello's date picker, where you'll control both the due date and, if you want, a start date. You'll see checkboxes for date fields. Turn on the available checkboxes so both start and due dates are active. Now choose the due date on the calendar. I'll pick the 17th. Next, set a specific time by clicking the time field and typing 7 o'clock a.m. Exact times are useful for reminders and calendar integrations. If you haven't already, enable the start date checkbox so the task has a clear window from start to finish. A start date is optional, but it's great for planning and for showing a date range on the board. Before saving, fine-tune reminders so Trello nudges you at the right moments. Open the reminder menu and choose never to clear any default reminder you don't want. If there's a separate reminder selector, set that to never as well so you're starting clean. Then pick the reminders that match your workflow. Here, I'll add one for 1 day before and another for 2 hours before. Spacing reminders like this gives you an early heads up and a final prompt near the deadline. When everything looks good, click Save, then close the card. Back on the board, hover over the date badge on that card to confirm the details. You should now see a clear date range and time, reflecting the start and due dates you just set. Let's repeat the process on another example to reinforce it. Open the card titled Studying Math, then click Dates. Choose the due date on the calendar. I'll select the 18th. For reminders, I'll set a quick alert for 2 hours before and another for 1 day before. The order here isn't critical. What matters is picking the times that fit your routine. Click Save, then close the card. On the board, hover over the date badge for this card to confirm it shows the correct day. Take a moment to scan the board and ensure all card date badges display as expected. This quick visual pass helps catch any mistakes immediately. If plans change, you can remove dates just as easily. Open the Studying Science card again, go back into Dates, and click Remove to clear the existing dates and reminders. This keeps your board accurate and avoids misleading notifications. Close the card when you're done. A few quick tips as you work. Trello shows dates in your profile's time zone, so if you collaborate across regions, confirm that teammates see the correct local times. Typing times like 7 o'clock a.m. is flexible. Trello understands standard formats. If you prefer fewer pings, keep one reminder. If a task is critical, use multiple reminders, just like we did. Finally, remember that these date settings make your tasks more actionable and visible, both on the board and in calendar views. With these steps, you'll consistently set clear start and due dates, tailor reminders to your needs, and keep your Trello tasks on track.